This is my 2016 Suzuki Boulevard Boss Edition. Looks like we're having problems with the kickstand here. When I'm going down the road, it actually dies. And I think it's because through vibration or riding it with very little manipulation, it's disengaging this way. You can see the bolt right here, and that is disengaging and killing the engine. So what I've been doing is I just reach down with my foot while I'm going down the road and I tuck that back in, which re-engages that bolt, and the engine starts back over again. So what I'm hoping the problem is here are these two springs. Sorry, let's see if we can get a good shot of it here. These two springs right here, they're just not strong enough to hold that weight. When it comes down, they're just not strong enough to hold it up. So there, the springs are extended all the way. When you raise it all the way back up top, with very little manipulation, very little bouncing, just kind of going like that, it'll let that bolt disengage and cuts off the engine. So I bought some replacement springs, hoping that those will work. They're $5 a piece, just from the local dealer. We're gonna see if I can pull those off. Now, I haven't tried this at all, so I'm not sure how it's gonna work or not, but I just figure if I get some pliers in here, there goes one spring. There's the second one. So now that thing's flowing free. I can't remember how I had that sticker set up here. I believe the way it was set up, they're facing both the same direction, which I thought was kind of weird, but sorry, trying to do this while holding the cell phone. Kind of harder than I expected. So they loop up over this knob back up here. Hopefully we're getting that. And then they just got to connect down here. So let's see if I can take these needle nose and make it work. Sorry, I'm not one of those gifted mechanics that you see on YouTube that can just kind of do this real fast and easy. Some of the guys that I saw on there were taking things apart and stuff, and I thought, well, I wonder if I could just take it and almost muscle it back on there. So let's see if we can do that. Right. Damn it. Right there. It looks like there was a lot of play in that. I actually tried to tighten that bolt before. Oh, and I got myself there too. I actually tried to tighten that bolt before, and it's pretty tight, and it's on there with Loctite too, so there wasn't much play in that bolt. So even though it's got a lot of play this direction, that's just to help with the tilt of the bike. So let's see if we can get these springs to come on. There's one. Let's see if I can get the second one. Oh. Okay, there's both of them. So let's see. Definitely feels a lot more tight where I'm tapping down on this other end here. Hopefully I didn't get too much blood, but when I'm tapping down there, looks like that's holding in a lot better. And hopefully that'll just keep that going in there. Looks like it's blurry, so there it is. Yeah, hopefully that looks like it's a lot more steady. Just getting that in there. Hopefully we caught that. And I'm not going to edit it, so you'll have to suffer just fast forwarding it. we'll see if that works. Thanks. Bye.